that before Islam, as brought by Muhammad, peace be upon him, the mankind was divided into different classes. Prejudiced people, narrow-mindedness. Hindus believe that the voice of God cannot be heard out of this area, out of this particular race, Arya world. The Christians, if they believe in Jesus Christ alone, that's all. That's enough. They need not believe in any other prophet. The voice of God cannot be heard through any other prophet. Everybody narrow-minded. It is Islam alone who believes in Islam as a religion given by Allah to the humanity through all the prophets. Islam is a law of nature. It's a religion of nature given by Allah the Almighty. And this is why we have to believe in all the prophets, in all the heavenly books. Whether we know them or we don't know them. But in principle, we have to believe in them all. For a universalism, humanity at large, no narrow-mindedness. And every prophet is as respectable as any other prophet. The teachings of every prophet were heavenly and correct. But the poor humanity could not preserve those teachings. Thirdly, humanity had actually done away with a direct relationship between man and God. They had brought in many intermediaries between man and God. This is the clergyman, and this is the Brahmins, and these are those who come in between man and God. Islam negates all these intermediaries. Man has got direct relationship with God. He has to talk to this God directly. He loves Allah the Almighty directly, without any intermediary. إِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ أُجِيبُ دَعْوَةَ الدَّاعِ إِذَا دَعَانِ فَلْيَسْتَجِيبُوا لِي وَلْيُؤْمِنُوا بِي لَعَلَّهُمْ يَرْشُدُونَ. When, O Muhammad, when the people ask about me, tell them that I am very, very near to them. If they call me and they pray to me, I answer and reply to their prayers, and I accept them. So they should believe in me, and they should seek from me guidance, and they will be guided properly. So no intermediary. Islam comes and preaches direct relationship between man and God. Love for God. And all other love comes secondly. We love the Prophet. First we will love Allah the Almighty. Love of God is prime. And then we love the Prophet. And then we love all his creatures.